Semi-truck accidents are not like any other type of auto accident, and you need to know this. If you were injured in a semi-truck accident, you need to get an attorney involved right away. Time is of the essence. These trucking companies often have attorneys on retainer already. If not, they will get one immediately to prevent you from getting your money. Those lawyers or the trucking company's insurance will reach out to try and get you to settle immediately for pennies on the dollar. They don't care about you. Never speak to the trucking company or the insurance company without an attorney. And if you don't have an attorney, I know where you can find one.